Okay, good evening. I am Irankunda. I'm currently taking data visualization module. In this video, I will be describing how to create a dashboard as well as a story in Tableau, of course. To start, when I want to create a dashboard, it is very important first to create different sheets that will be used to create a dashboard. Here, as it can be seen, I have created different sheets. This one, for example, this one on which I am is a dashboard that is displaying price per zip code. The following one is timeline of sales, and this one shows price per city. I mean the sum, and this one shows price per types of sales that has been sold. Yeah, as you can see, I'm having here 4 different sheets. With these sheets, I will be able to create a dashboard. First, the dashboard is a combination of different sheets in one room where you are being to compare or making some analysis and the interpretation within those sheets in one room. As you can see, this is the dashboard I have created. As you can see, this is the price per zip code, price per city, and the timeline of sales. Uh, let me start it so that it can be clear. Okay, as you can see, this is a dashboard. By creating a new dashboard, as you can see here, I am having my sheets here. You can either making a floating dashboard or titled. Titled, that means that the sheet you are going to include will come in full image of the canvas, while floating, let me try it so that you can get what I am saying. As you can see, floating, you are free to move it from anywhere place you can be, and you should edit it somewhere at some time. While making a dashboard that is titled, that means that when I drop and drag, it will automatically be full in the canvas. Yeah, it depends on what you need or on what the user want to make. And if I insert another one, that means that you can put it here, but you can see the shadow of where your sheets should be placed, as well as bringing another one and put it somewhere. It will depend upon how you want how you want to present your information. For me, I prefer using floating, so let me use a floating. I'm trying to remove this. Okay, I will be here and press floating. I want to compare price by zip code. This is a first sheet. I will compare it with timeline of sales. As you can see, floating allows editing and what it's easier actually to interact with the sheet, and you can increase the size. And I will drop and drag another sheet here, as well as another one here. It's not just dragging and drop, it's just checking the sheets which have some similarity or some information to be easily to be comparable. Within dashboards, you see that I have different sheets here. For example, if I want to take some information from here and compare this from this, for example, if I want to check which year here has owned high sales, I will just click on this icon and this of here as well. Yes, this icon allows the comparison between different sheets within these dashboards. Yeah, you can make different features in dashboard such as filtering, highlighting, and so on. Okay, the second one is okay, you can see that I have selected here property that have zip code 115017, and when I pressed on it, in the other sheets, information related to this zip code automatically highlighted themselves. Let me show if I press a different zip code. You can see that there is interaction or interactability of the sheets within the dashboard. Okay, let me do quickly show you how to create a story. A story is just presenting information in a form of storytelling. It's just having different dashboards and arrange them either on slide presentation. The difference is that in storytelling there is a room for captions or additional information you want to make about your dashboard, or I'm sorry, about your story. Here, as you can see, these are the information I just showed about this sheet I inserted here. Let me show you how I created this story. You go on this icon, this last one, you click on new story, and you select, you drop and drag the sheet you want to create a story about. For example, I want to use timeline of sales. Yes, you see that it's automatically come here, and here I can add some information that will be additional information about this sheet. If you try to check this you can see that in 12 it's where they have made high sales comparing to the following years, and you can add it in this room, saying that in 2012 is where higher sales were made, and you can also add more information about. You can name your story as well by double clicking on this, and for example I will name it as story about the timeline of sales. Yes, and click apply, then okay. Also on the dashboard, what I didn't say is about how you can name your dashboard. Actually, you come here and show dashboard title. As you can see, it's dashboard 2 because I'm having 2 dashboard. You can edit it by double clicking on dashboards 2, then you select here I will be naming it as dashboard about the price per zip code versus timeline of sales, for example. That's how you can name your dashboard. Yeah, as you see, the name automatically displays in the dashboard. Yeah, the main difference actually between a dashboard and a story. Dashboard actually includes different sheets where the user is able to compare or to analyze data throughout sheets. Whereas the story you just focus on a single area you want to analyze by adding some additional information about the data you are going to explain in a form of a story. Thank you so much.